Hey guys, welcome at my YouTube channel. In this video I want to share my experiences in making own 3D models, and I want to encourage you to do yourself, because to my opinion the efforts of a 3D printer will be much more if you're able to make own designs. I use Blender software. It's maybe one of the most tricky softwares for this purpose, because it takes, the most say, it takes a long time to learn it. That's with my experiences. I'm working at Blender about 6 years, and now I show you the workflow. In this video I want to make a part difference between new LED lights and keeping the holes in the wall. I didn't want to drill new holes into the wall, but I want to change to LED. And the first thing is the sizes. And as you see here, the holes for the cables. And if we completed the model in Blender, we export the file as a .stl file, and Cura, the slicer, is able to read this file. Okay, I make my videos for the noobs, for the beginners, not for the experienced people. And myself, I'm also a beginner, and I just want to share my experiences with you, and once again to encourage you to try yourself. The blue line is a so-called brim. The red line is wall, and the yellow area is top and bottom area. But there is a checkbox upside in the upper menu. You can see the colors and what they mean. So that's the first result. And the drilling, the hole distances are not okay. So you have to calculate again, making relationship from Blender to Cura to the world of your printer. This needs some calculations maybe. And here you see the first successful bottom line. And now the part is ready. And we just have to cut the holes, to drill holes. Here I show again, that's the wall, the distance fits. And now I show you a way as I'm cutting this PLA. It's standard PLA. In the next videos I show you printing the RC model of the Piper from lab prints, plain lab prints. This model is free for download. And now we have to complete this job before. Maybe there are better ways. I bought a cutter knife now, but however, I'm like I said before, I'm not the professional. I just share my experiences with you. And for those of you, the video now starts to begin boring. At the end of the video, I show you a typical complication with the PLA rolls, the coil, the roll, however, that I caught. And this is maybe, if you don't pay attention, for a case for many bad printings. So if you scroll, don't miss the end of the video. And now I think the rest is self-explaining. So I put